If you go for bigger company, Korean company, of course Java is very used there. To be honest, at 𝗏𝗂𝗏 we are more on the startup, medium size, rather than that kind of big companies. So what I see the most is either this, C++ for hardware, or JavaScript, full stack JavaScript, or Python for ML. I would say that's the ranking I would.
And if somebody, let's say, has worked in Europe or the US, like culturally, like work culturally, how is it different in Korea?
I would say some people can't make it, to be honest. So that's why I would also recommend. That's another reason why I always recommend to work on your craft than your Korean language. I mean, it's sad to say, but the reason is, Korea might be the perfect country for you from the outside. You travel there, you love Korea, but there is always a difference between traveling to a country and working in that country. And I know that for Japan as well. Japan and Korea, in terms of work culture, they have a lot of bad history of bad working culture, especially in like big companies like hierarchy, and we hear stories. So it will get better. There is because the young generation, a lot of Korean person, like now CEOs, they went abroad to the university in Europe, universities in the US, they come back. So they have this culture of having a better work environment and having also a diverse workforce.